Hello students, in the last class we have started chapter 12, conserving our environment, in which you have learned about what is environment and what is pollution and its control and different types of pollution, that is air pollution, water pollution and this land pollution, noise pollution. Up to here we have read in our last class, and today we'll start from waste generation and disposal. So student, let us start from our next topic, that is waste generation and disposal. Now what is waste? Any material that is no longer useful to us is called waste. It can consist of fruit and vegetable peels, old newspapers and magazines, cardboard boxes, plastic packaging material, glass bottles and broken glass, metal cans and many other things. These are the waste materials. Now, there are two kinds of waste. Now we will read about these two kinds, that is biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Now first we will read about the biodegradable waste. This waste material rot easily and mix with the soil. Like microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi and earthworms help to decompose such waste. Leftover food, fruit and vegetable peels, paper and leaves are also biodegradable. And our next type of waste is non-biodegradable waste. It is a waste material do not rot easily and they do not mix with the soil and remain in the environment for a long time. And example of these biodegradable waste are plastic goods, synthetic aluminium cans and silver foil are a few non-biodegradable waste materials. They may take thousands of years to decompose. Until then, they choke drains, clog the land and water bodies and pollute our surroundings. And animals feeding on plastic can choke and die. So I hope you understood these two types of waste. And the next topic is waste management. The practice of collecting, treating and disposing of waste in order to protect the environment is called waste management. In towns and cities, many local agencies look after the collection and disposal of waste, and they use many methods to dispose of waste. Now, the next topic is landfills. Landfills are an important and a popular method of waste disposal. They are normally made on the periphery of a city. In this method, deep ditches are dug and waste is dumped in them. When the ditches are full, they are covered with soil. At some places, parks and gardens are built over them. This is landfills. And the next is open dumping. Waste is first loaded in trucks and then waste is taken far away from the town or city and dumped in the open. Then disposing of waste in the open pollutes the environment. Now this burning, and in this method solid waste is collected at one place and then burned at high temperatures. Chemicals and other poisonous wastes are burned in large furnaces or incinerators. This method is harmful and causes air pollution. And the next one is composting. In this process, organic waste from kitchens and gardens is put in pits or bins. This turns into compost, a nutrient-rich food for the plants. And compost is used as manure by farmers. Crops which are grown by using natural manure are called organic foods. These are healthier than the crops which use chemical fertilizers. And composting is one of the easiest and safest methods of waste disposal. Now, this was about the waste management. Now, the next our subtopic is reducing waste. How we can reduce waste. Now, we must reduce waste. If we produce waste, we must dispose it off properly. Now, how we can reduce? We should follow the policy of 3 R's. That is, reduce, reuse, and recycle. As you can see in your book, 3 R's, that is reduce, reuse, and recycle. So first, what is reduce? Reduce the use of things that create garbage. We often buy more than we need and end up throwing out some of it. For example, if we buy too many vegetables, some of them rot and have to be thrown away, thereby increasing garbage. And if you buy only as much as you need, you will reduce garbage. Means we should purchase things according to our need only. So we can reduce like this. Second one is reuse. Then this is, instead of throwing away plastic bottles, they can be used for storing water. Empty jam or pickle bottles can be used for storing things in the kitchen. Instead of throwing these things, we can use these things in the kitchen. Plastic bags can be used again and again. So don't throw these things, rather reduce them and save the environment. And the next one, third one is recycle. Things that cannot be reused can be used for making other useful things. This is known as recycling. The waste collector, and in Hindi we are saying that man is kabadiwala, who often visits our home to buy old newspapers, magazines, plastics, glass and metal wastes, takes them to places where they are used for making new things. And old newspapers are used for making what? Paper bags. And plastic, metal and glass pieces are melted in factories and made into new things. And paper can be recycled to make another grade of paper. So, if we follow the 3 R's policy in our daily life, we can help to keep the environment clean and healthy. So, we should follow the 3 R's to save our environment. Now, how we can protect the environment? What we should do and what we should not do. First, we will read about what we should do. We should plant trees, keep our surroundings clean, and we use only paper or cloth bags. Then we should keep public places clean, and we should throw waste in proper garbage bins. Then we should keep water bodies clean. These we should do to protect the environment. And what we should not do, that is, we should not use plastic bags because it harms the environment. We should not allow water to collect at one place because mosquitoes breed in stagnant water and it causes diseases. We should not dump waste in water bodies, and we should not spit, urinate or defecate in the open or in public places. Then we should not throw waste material or household garbage on roads, in parks and other public places. So here we have finished our chapter. I hope you all have understood how we should conserve our environment and what we should do and what we shouldn't do. So again you read the chapter once, and what you have to do, classwork, is page number 97, that is assignment work. Tick the correct option, you will do by yourself. And one more, page number 95, activity. Page number 95, activity also you will do by yourself and write in the book itself. No need to write in the notebook. And in the next class, I'll give you the assessment time, that is tick the correct option, match the following and fill in the blanks. Okay, thank you.